Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to lock specific apps on Windows. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for sordom.org. So just go ahead and click on enter, and then now you want to click on ask admin. Okay? So now just go ahead and click on that. And now you want to scroll down until you see the download button. So right here. So now just go ahead and click on download. So click on direct download. So now you just need to wait until it is done downloading. So now once it is done, just go ahead and click on the zip folder. So now you want to copy the admin folder and then just go ahead and paste it here on your desktop. So now just go ahead and open the folder and click on the askadmin.exe. Okay, now just go ahead and click on yes. So now you can read this agreement, but just go ahead and click on agree. So now what you need to do is to just go ahead and copy the apps that you want to lock. So let's just say the Discord app. So just go ahead and copy that, or you can just go ahead and drag the application here at the tab. Okay. So now as you can see, to apply the settings, Window Explorer need to restart. Do you want to restart Windows Explorer? So I'm just gonna click on yes. So now once the Window Explorer is restart, that I want you to do is to just let me just go ahead and do that again right here. And now when you try to open Discord, as you can see, it is not possible, right? That is because you locked Discord by using this application or website. Okay? So if you want to use Discord, just go ahead and open this tab and then click on it and click on the minus icon at the upper part of your tab. So now click on yes. So now when you try to open Discord, as you can see that we can now use or open Discord. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.